Oh my goodness, this is a surprise egg! Yay! Another one! Yay! It is another surprise egg! Yay! First we have Incredibles one, now we have a Hotel Transylvania free one. Yay! Woo! Guys, there's a bear! There's a bear! There's a bear!
Hi friends, it's Goldie. Today I have a giant surprise Hotel Transylvania 3 hatching egg filled with cool surprises.
Let's see if the button turns us into characters. I'm going in first. I see you. Maybe we push the button again. Hi.
Is that you, Mavis?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's Mavis from Hotel Transylvania 3. Oh, Mavy, Wavy, we love you. Come out, you cutie.
Wow, you turned into Mavis. I did. I'm a bat. I'm flying. I'm a bat. I am a bat. Hi, Mavy, Wavy. Hi, Dad. So one, what do you want to turn into? I want to be Drac. Go in the egg. Are you okay? Yes. I guess I'm gonna press the button. Ooh, the egg's shaking.
2 hours later.
When is this egg gonna hatch? I'm so bored. When is the egg gonna hatch? Gonna push the button again. Oh no, it's shaking. Yes, it's gonna open. It's opening. I'm your dad. Look, it's my daddy Jack. Yay, he's here. Blah, blah, blah. It's good to see you, Daddy. Hi, baby, Maggie. I missed you. I missed you. Come on. Now what do we do? I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. We should go on a summer vacation. Yeah. Let's press the button. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, we're on vacation. Yay!
Hey guys, why don't you go behind the egg and see what's back there? Maybe there's some stuff for your vacation.
Okay.
Whoa, what do you got?
A bag full of some stuff.
Esta bomba puertorriqueña, yo te la traigo de Coupé, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de toda.
Ooh, it's a moon screen.
Esta bomba yo la dedico.
Here, Drac, here's the moon screen. It's my turn.
La familia Fontanet, allá en Coupé Alto, y lo Mejía en Vega Baja, que gocen.
Okay, Mavis and Drac, what else is back there? Wow, we got a bucket of stuff. And what do you got, Drac?
The beach balls.
Oh, cool. You got beach balls. What'd you get, Mavis?
Goggles and some glasses. Ooh, there's an extra goggles. Let's play more Monster Ball. Monster Dive.
All right, Drac and Mavis, I have some more fun surprises in my egg. Go get them. All right, guys, you guys got so many toys. Woo!
Time for everyone to get their time. I'm a tiny baby. I'm a miniature person.
Wow, maybe are you guys gonna get a moon tan too?
Yeah, but I don't think Johnny can get a moon tan.
Why?
Because he's not a monster.
That's true. He's not a monster, that silly
He's
Johnny.
a human. I have Wendy.
Wendy, Blob, and who else?
Hank.
I know, I thought it was Frank, but his name's Hank. That's crazy.
I have Chico from Five Nights at Freddy's.
Oh, that's crazy. And who else do you have, Drac?
I have myself, Jack.
Oh, how cute.
And I have little baby Navy Wavy.
Oh, baby, maybe, wavy. Adorable, guys. All right, I have more fun prizes. Go in that egg. Wow, you got a Mavis doll and a crazy devil's food cake. Awesome.
Chico's definitely gonna want to eat that. I got me in my wedding dress.
Oh, how beautiful. All right, Mavis and Drac, time to open your first toys. Get them open. All right, Navy Wavy, can you show me Bride Mavis?
Here she is. She's nice and pretty with her beautiful veil and a cute little crown. This is so cute. It's a little gem. And she has a purple and black bouquet.
Wow, that matches your dress, Mavis, and your cool fingernails.
Yes, here are her shoes. They look fantastic.
They're like cool sneakers, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna put them on. Doo-doo.
Okay, while you're putting those on, we want to see what Drac got. What did you get, Drac? Whoa, that's crazy, Drac. Wow. And can I see Mavis's cool hat? That looks cool. Does it go on her head?
Yes.
All right.
My favorite meal. My favorite meal. We can have that
Like
some cake
monster
for
cake.
the. Oh, up. No. Ow.
All right, guys, I think there's more toys inside that egg. Go get it.
Ooh, it's a treasure chest.
Bring that chest around, guys.
Yeah, it's toys.
Whoa, get it all out, guys. Unload everything. Take it all out. Everything out. Out.
Break dancing. We want food. We want food. We want food. We want food. We want some potatoes. That's not potatoes. Potatoes. Nuggets. Break dancing, Nathan. Break dancing, Nathan.
Wow, she's an awesome dancer. He's serving. Is that the Scream Cheese Cafe? It is. It's the Scream Cheese Cafe. It's so super fun. I think you have some eyeball food. Who do you have over there, Mavis? Is it just you all alone, or do you have some family there?
She has Dennis, Johnny, and her dad.
Aww.
And
What-
2 other hers. This one likes to break dance. Now this one's going off stage, and the other one that likes to do ballet will come on and dance.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, now she's break dancing. What? How's there another me here? Like this. Yeah. Whoa. Who is that over there? Who are you? The real Johnny. I'm the fake guy. It's night time at the restaurant. I'm a bat. Hello. I would like this thing, please. Take some soup, okay? Yeah, some soup. Who do I sit with? You have no chair. Sit on the ground. Okay. I want to break dance. Oh, you? I'm done. I'm taking the ball and throwing it.
Would you like any dipping? Would you like any dip sauce for your chips?
Oh, I would.
All right, Drac and Mavis, let's open up some spooky candy.
Oh, Freddy bear, Freddy.
What else is inside, Drac? What do you have? Ooh, candy.
Foxy.
Ooh, Foxy and Freddy. All right, get that candy, open them up, and put that candy in.
Come on, Candy. Get out.
Good job, guys. Woo!
For now. I'm gonna eat all this extra candy.
Yum.
I think I messed mine up a little bit.
That's all right. Untwist it and start over.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you
We're
go.
selling candy.
All right, Drac selling candy. What else came in your bag? Did you guys get a cool poster?
Yeah.
Oh, Foxy.
Can we see? I want to see Freddy and Foxy. Ooh, super spooky.
So I guess whatever animatronics you get, whatever poster you get then.
And did you know you can mix their heads?
Uh-huh.
Why don't you mix their heads really fast, and then we're going to open up some blind boxes from Hotel Transylvania 3.
It's a Foxy Freddy.
What is it, a Foxy Freddy?
Yep.
That's a Foxy Freddy, Mavis. That is so cool. Put them together. That is so awesome. I love them.
And Mavis is going to take this to her house.
Okay, here's a googly eye for you, Drac. A scary eye for you. A goofy eye for you, Mavis. And a mean eye for you, Mavis. So tell us how you open it. You have to tell us. Some
Yeah,
people don't know.
you put the key and you push in.
Perfect. Wow.
Because the key is in
I got the captain.
You got the captain.
Yeah.
All right. Who did you get, Maybe?
I got a witch.
Ew, a spooky witch.
Can I see?
All right, guys, check your guys out on the guide. I know you got a captain. And
I got Captain America.
Okay, where is she on the guide? And Mavis, you got a spooky witch.
I already found it. It's
Where
right
is
there.
she? Ooh, she's pretty scary. All right, guys, let's open up your next blind trunk. Ooh, maybe wavy. Yeah, what is that, Mavis?
I got no idea.
That's very creepy, crawly.
I think I know. I think that's a centipede.
Centipede thing. Yeah, it's totally like a centipede thing.
Ooh, I got a fingers.
Oh, I think you got monster
I
popcorn.
think I did.
What?
Put them
But
down.
there's
Let's check
actually
them
there's
out.
actually a bug in there.
Find them on the guide. Let's see who they are. All right, Drac, what did you get?
It looks like finger candy.
Finger candy.
That's bug popcorn.
Ooh, bug popcorn. I bet that's your favorite.
Watches his own movie.
That's a great idea. Look, he loves it. All right, Mavis, show us what you got.
It is a monster bug.
Ew, monster bug.
There it is.
I don't like it. It's
You
too crawly.
gross. Ew.
Woo! I'm gonna get you, boop. Hey, get back here. I'm gonna get you this time. Yes.
Give us a big thumbs up for Hotel Transylvania 3 for Drac and Mavis. And to continue the fun, click on one of the videos on the screen below. Or click on my face, Goldie Star, to subscribe to Treasure Chest Surprise Toys, blah, 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 blah.